add another PC. The second PC will start a second stream. Add a third PC. PC will start a third stream. Okay, what is the issue with this? What problem can you see?
Yeah. Bandwidth.
No, those are the two problems. One is the camera can only support so many streams. The number is different depending upon the camera, 16. But the fact is there's a limit. The other issue is this pipe. You know, maybe it's a 10100, maybe it's even more limited if it's going over wireless. But the issue is that at some point, if you keep adding streams, you're going to run out of bandwidth here. That's unicasting. Now, for smaller systems, if you don't have a lot of users that don't need concurrent access to the camera, it's usually not a big deal. So you really don't see this yet in small to mid-market systems. Although specmanship being what it is, you know, we'll be pressured to go to that point. You see this in larger systems, like supported by Genetech and Milestone Corporate variant, enterprise class systems, where typically you have many users, like at an airport. You have people looking at live video. That's unicast. Multicast is a feature of the network. It's a feature of the router. There's a protocol called IGMP. Don't worry about memorizing that, but IGMP equals multicast. And what IGMP does is it allows the camera to join a group. In the internet namespace, you've got 192.168.1.100. There is a reserved set of IP addresses starting with 224. Just a reserved set. And those actually are what's called a multicast group. So what happens in multicasting is the camera joins a group just being represented by an IP address. So the camera will stream to that group. The PCs, in turn, will also stream to that group, or join that group. Okay? So the net effect is you have one stream coming out of the camera. And if this is a switch, you've got an independent path to each PC. So what you've done is you've reduced the bandwidth requirement and the load on that camera. Everybody joins that multicast group. So it's one stream on the network, at least here. And then it's the switch's job to get that stream to where it needs to be at the endpoints. That's multicasting. So, pardon me?